Foshan JHR Smart Tech Co. Limited. Established in 2015, we specialize in aluminum products including gates, fences, railings, pergolas, and related architectural solutions. Located in Foshan City with convenient transportation, we are committed to strict quality control and providing thoughtful service. With a team of highly skilled staff over 10 years of experience, we actively collaborate with clients to understand their requirements and ensure full satisfaction. Beyond product consultation, we provide end-to-end support from order processing to documentation management and logistics tracking, ensuring seamless delivery to your destination. To ensure production capabilities, our associated factory has invested in advanced equipment such as punching machines, CNC cutting systems, precision drilling tools, and welding systems. Additionally, our products meet international standards with CE, RoHS, EMC, REACH certificates, and Chinese Green Product certifications. Our products are widely distributed across China and exported to North America, Europe, South Asia, Southeast Asia, Oceania, the Middle East, and beyond. We offer full customization and welcome OEM and ODM projects. Whether selecting from our existing designs or requesting tailored engineering solutions, our sales team will efficiently address your requirements. We strive to deliver high-quality products and create mutually beneficial partnerships, empowering your business to capture broader market opportunities. Looking forward to building a prosperous collaboration with you.